Prepare to be amazed as the OnePlus 12 is set to hit the scene this December, and it's bringing a camera setup that will redefine mobile photography. The leaks are in, and here's what's coming. First off, the ultra-wide camera will feature a 48-megapixel 1x2-inch sensor with a wide f2.2 aperture, promising stunning wide-angle shots that capture every detail. The zoom lens is no slouch either, packing a 64-megapixel OmniVision OV64B sensor with OIS for ultra-sharp, steady zoom-in shots. But the real surprise is the new main sensor, the 50-megapixel Sony IMX966. The sensor is a game-changer, offering performance equivalent to the 1-inch type imager. Its smaller size is offset by a double-layer build that enhances sensitivity, making it a photography powerhouse. Combined with OIS and the computational photography expertise of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this sensor is set to redefine your photo game. And there's more! The 64-megapixel telephoto camera, featuring 3x optical zoom, promises even better low-light performance, all thanks to the new Qualcomm chipset. Mark your calendars for the OnePlus 12's arrival in December, with its global release in early 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop and be the first to experience this photography marvel.